What's up everybody, it's Sean here today to give you guys a review of the Asics Gel-Lyte 3 OG in this baked pink and French blue colorway. Today's video is brought to you by Heflux. Heflux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell ETPU insoles, which really is the same material you'll find inside Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find there's a suitable pair for anyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heflux for years now, and I personally find them to be very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is a relatively new general release Asics Gel-Lyte 3, which I picked up a couple weeks back. So this is officially called the Baked Pink and French Blue colorway, and they retailed for $130 US or $160 here in Canada. So my initial thought when I first saw the colorway of this shoe is that it kind of reminds me of the A Few Asics collaboration on the Koi colorway with a slight mix of the Kith Salmon Toe collab. And because I don't own a pair of that Koi collaboration with A Few, this was a pair that I was really curious to pick up and see how they were in real life. So diving into the details of this shoe, the front half of the sneaker, on the toe box, you can see this is constructed out of a pale pink colored suede. This entire suede panel here on the toe box is perforated, and then surrounding the front toe cap, we have more of that pale pink colored suede as well, but this part is unperforated. Next to this, covering the eyelets, we have this tan colored suede, and the middle two eyelets are constructed out of a pink colored TPU. We have more of that beige suede covering the bottom of the mid panel as well. And then in between this, we have this perforated white leather, and overlaid on top of this, we have the Asics stripes, which is constructed out of a navy blue colored leather with a white layer underneath. Moving downwards, surrounding the bottom of the heel and wrapping around the back, we have more of that pink colored suede, and we have Gel-Lyte 3 embroidered on the lateral side only. And above this, we have more of that beige colored suede, and we have Asics embroidered in blue, and the word gel below that embroidered in pink. This being a Gel-Lyte 3, of course we have that signature split tongue down the middle, and the tongue here is constructed out of a white colored leather. As far as the laces go, so these come with these flat style laces in white, and they have these pink colored lace tips. And then the interior of the shoe is lined in this pale pink colored textile, which matches the color of the suede perfectly. As far as the insole goes, so these come with your standard foam line insole. It's lined in a pale pink colored textile on top, and we have Asics branding stamped on the heel in blue. So the upper of the Gel-Lyte 3 sits atop this white colored foam midsole, and we have Asics branding found on the middle of the lateral side. Encased within the shoe but not visible to the eye, we have Asics gel technology, which gives the shoe a ton of cushioning and comfort. And then right above this, surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have this pale pink colored TPU heel clip, which gives you additional structure and support for the back end of the shoe. Finally, flipping the shoe over to the bottom, this is just your standard Gel-Lyte 3 outsole, and this is entirely constructed out of a dark blue colored rubber. And in the middle, you can see we have the Asics word mark. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. And for those wondering about sizing, I feel like historically in the past, maybe let's say 5 to 10 years ago, Gel-Lyte 3s to me at least fit a lot more snug. So I used to go up a half size, but I found that for more recent Gel-Lyte 3s, I can go true to size with these and they fit perfectly fine. So my feet measures as a true size 10, they're slightly on the wider side as well. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. So whatever size you normally wear for recent Gel-Lyte 3s, I'd stick with that same size for this pair. Moving on to the comfort, so the Gel-Lyte 3 in my opinion is an extremely comfortable shoe for casual use. It's a little bit more on the softer side, but it's not overly soft and mushy. It still gives you a good amount of support as well. And these are one of my top picks when people ask me for shoes that I consider to be the most comfortable. So straight out of the box, you can feel that compression and the softness of that foam midsole, but with the inclusion of the gel technology, it gives you a good amount of responsiveness and bounce back. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this shoe, so first off, material quality, I just thought it was okay. I feel like these are a little bit worse in quality than most of my other Asics in my collection, which I guess makes sense considering this is a general release. And it's not to say the material quality is bad, I just thought the suedes felt a little bit scratchy and thin, and the leather on the tongue felt a little bit synthetic. But I guess for the price that you're paying, you still get decent materials, they're just not great materials. But from a craftsmanship and build standpoint, I thought this pair was pretty flawless. I didn't notice any flaws or issues, no glue stains, no loose stitching, nothing like that. So at least from that standpoint, it was very solid. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, for a general release Asics release, this is a very nice colorway and one that caught my attention right from the beginning. Like I mentioned from the start, this is basically a takedown version of the A Few Koi Asics Gel-Lyte 3, so for anyone that doesn't own a pair of those, this is a very solid alternative. I think this is a very great spring or summer colorway, and when you combine that with the comfort of the Asics Gel-Lyte 3, this is a perfect pairing. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this colorway. I'm guessing these will eventually go on sale if they're not already, so if you can grab these for under retail, that would be a definite no-brainer in my opinion. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, follow my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.